Hey guys, Albert here from Grand Touring Automobiles Oakville. So right here, the Jesko, right, in the open form. You can see it's got like the vertical doors. Super duper nice, fully carbon fiber decked out. I'll show you folks the back as well, but it's gonna show you like how great this car looks at every angle. Like as mentioned, all the panels carbon fiber decked out. Like the base over here, all carbon fiber, right? The entire cage, whatever you see, everything you see, like right under the light, everything is carbon fibered out. What a gorgeous looking car. All the details in this car is just impeccable. Like with the carbon seats, carbon tub, like the Alcantara in this is just crazy. And you can see over here too, everything is carbon fiber. And as you can see, one of 125 made. So yeah, like the presence of this car, absolutely crazy. The back here. It's a very rare scene that we can actually see. I'll just do a really slow, because there's so much details that you can't really see, right? Like all the mechanical, everything you see here is absolutely majestic. Like I've never seen that much carbon fiber in a car. Like even over here, everything. And when I mean everything, everything is carbon fiber. Like look at this, all the details. The push rods, the suspension, like so much time and effort into putting this into this car. It's gorgeous car. And then you see the exhaust, like the presence is unbelievable. Right? Even at every angle that you can see, it is absolutely majestic. Let you see the front. So right over here, you see the huge intake. So from there, the air goes in. You can see the bottom part, all the aero. It goes directly into over here. So actually the air actually comes out and towards the car to give it better aero. And just everything is just pure carbon fiber. So a better angle will be on the side, because then you can see the air intake goes upwards. So it basically helps pushes the car downwards, right? And if you watch my previous video, when that was down, there's a lot of aerodynamics giving a lot of down force. But this is an absolute majestic car. Here's some info about this. The Koenigsegg Jesko Attack, highlights, options. If you're interested, definitely reach out. Courtesy of Dr. Posh. So this is actually his personal car, but he's lending it to us at Grand Touring for us to put in the booth. So here you go, folks. A quick kind of in-depth review of this gorgeous car, right? Again, this is Albert from Toronto Auto Show. If you're nearby, don't be shy, come say hi.